Hello friends, welcome to Kiko's Language School. Today we are going to learn the three main writing systems in Japanese language. There are three main writing systems in Japanese language: hiragana, katakana and kanji. Hiragana writing system is used to write Japanese origin words while katakana is used to write foreign borrowed words. Kanji is a picture-based system that originated in China and came to Japan. Let's take a clearer idea of these three writing systems. In the previous video, we learned hiragana writing system. In this video, we are going to discuss about the katakana writing system. As I said, katakana is used to write foreign borrowed words, and there are 46 letters in katakana writing system. Here is the katakana alphabet. Now, let's read these letters. Repeat after me. A, I, U, E, O. Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. Sa, Shi, Su, Se, So. Ta, Ti, Tsu, Te, Do. Na, Ni, Nu, Ne, No. Ha, Hi, Fu, He, Ho. Ma, Mi, Mu, Me, Mo. Ya, Yu, Yo. Ra, Ri, Ru, Re, Ro. Wa, Wo, In another video, let's learn how to write these letters. And in that video, let's find some words we can write and read as beginners. But for today, let's only learn how to read them. Tenten and maru are used to make other sounds. Let's take a look at those sounds. Now, let's read these letters. Repeat after me. Ga, gi, gu, ge, go. Za, zi, zu, ze, zo. Da, zi, zu, de, do. Ba, bi, bu, be, bo. Ba, bi, bu, be, bo. Then we can add tiny ya, you, yo letters to the E sounds in this alphabet to make the rest of the letters. I know it sounds complicated, but I promise it is so easy when we practice new words. But first, let's find all the E sounds in katakana alphabet. As the first step, let's find the letter E. Then we can find the other E sounds. Then let's write them down. But let's write one letter 3 times. Now we can add ya, you, yo letters from the right bottom of each letter. Watch carefully. Now let's read them. Kya, kyu, kyo. Sha, shu, sho. Cha, chu, cho. Nya, nyu, nyo. Hya, hyu, hyo. Mea, mew, meow. Dea, ryu, reo. Gya, gyu, gyo. Ja, ju, jo. Ja, ju, jo. Bea, bew, beo. Bea, bew, beo. Well done! We finished katakana alphabet and now we know about the basics of Japanese writing system. Good job everyone! Let's read again the complete katakana alphabet. And don't forget that learning a new language can take some time. But never give up. Remember your dreams. Hard work takes you to your dreams. And never compare yourself to anyone because you are unique and your learning style is unique. Stay motivated. Now let's read the complete katakana alphabet all together. Read with me. A, I, U, E, O. Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. Sa, shi, si, se, so, ta, si, tsi, te, to, na, ni, nu, ne, no, ha, hi, fu, he, ho, ma, mi, mu, me, mo, ya, yu, yo, ra, ri, ru, re, ro, wa, wo, ga, gi, gu, ge, go, za, zi, z, ze, zo, da, zi, z, de, do, ba, bi, bu, be, bo, ba, bi, bu, be, bo, kya, kyu, kyo, sha, shu, sho, ja, zu, zo, nya, nyu, nyo, ya, hyu, hyo, mya, myu, myo, rya, ryu, ryo, gya, gyu, gyo, za, zu, zo, ja, zu, zo, bya, byu, byo, pya, byu, byo. In next video, we are going to talk about kanji writing system. Stay tuned. Does anyone have a question? You can leave a comment if you have a question. And don't forget to let me know your ideas about Kiko's Language School. Share this YouTube channel with your classmates and friends too. Hit the bell icon to receive the latest videos and subscribe.